Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video we want to speak about the Django and Python framework, and what we're going to learn today is how we can use the class-based view. So that's meaning we can create a class where you can create your view inside, and then we will bind the Ginger template inside the Django view. So that's what we're going to learn today, and we probably want to create something new here to get a new page. Yeah, that's what we're going to see. And thank you for watching this video. I really hope you appreciate that, and I really appreciate you are here today. So please make a subscribing, pressing the subscribe button below in the right corner on the thing. I hope if you have any questions, please make a comments below, and I really hope you want to like and share this video. Thank you so much, and let's starting to code. So the first we're gonna do is we want to change the post detail page. So we basically could put this inside the class, and that's working if we're going down here and say class post detail, and we want to put a view inside, and view up here, and then we're going up and say from Django views import view, and then we have importing the models we need. And of course we don't have it working yet because we don't have put it inside. So what we're gonna do is just put it here, and then we add the get, and that's what we're gonna working with now. And we need to going back for the URLs up here and change this line. And the way we're doing this, it's adding a new one, and we say dot from views import post detail, and then you're going down to the regular expression here, and we just do the details here and say as view. And then we basically should be good to go. So let's saving it and test it out. Let's reload a little bit, and then we get an error here. And let's going back for the editor. It's we need to go back for the views, and we need, of course, we need something here, self, and then we need the self rendering. Sorry, request and request. That's what we need to do. Let's going back one more time and reload it, and then we are good to go. Let's just change this for 3 and see this is working. And you're thinking about, could there be a easier way to change the class so we can be more dynamic? And yes, that will be, and I will show how we can change it up here to the template engine. We'll duplicate those lines, and let's change the first one up here to the index. We just copy this and put it up here, post list, and remove the index. Going back, we need to remove number here, and going back for the URLs, and what we're gonna do here, it's post list as view. Oops, it's the wrong one. As view, and then the index should be perfect move. So just we have the list here. So let's going back. Now we have creating the index of the page, post page, as a class too. And what we're gonna do here is say template names equal to post list HTML, and then we basically just remove those and say diff get context data. This is self, and if one can go to context And what we're going to do is say title, say post overview page. Yeah, and then we say, whoops, and then we need the description here, and a little list of all the posts we got from the database. And that's what we're going to do. And of course, return it. Let's go back for the URLs. Not the URLs, sorry, the post list here. And what we're going to do here is say titles. Title. And then we need the description. We save it. And let's go back for the browser here and see what's happening. And now it's crashing and we can go back and see what's happening. I think maybe it's because we have done something in the view here. And that's correct. We need to say from Django and then views generic import template view, and we need to tell this is a template view too. This should happen. And now we have the post overview and a little list of all the post data here. And of course we can create a little bit more design in the post list here and say style margin button 0, padding button 0. And we just put this inside as a p tag. And then it's a little bit more. And of course we need to say the BR here, and then we are good to go. So that's how we basically can use the Django and the class to contain the template view. I really hope you understand what I've done here, and I appreciate you to have you here to the end of the movie. I hope you want to subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. If you don't know how to subscribe, you can go in the button in the right corner and click on the ding, and then you will subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, please make a comments below. I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye.